Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the COROS application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store, and in the App Store tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in COROS. And tap on Search. And on the list of applications, you should see the COROS application. Tap on the Get button to download and install it. As you can see, the watch already booted up. Usually you will see the list of languages on the screen, and once you select the language, you will see this page, basically to tell you to scan the code to download the application or to pair the watch. But right now, I selected the language before. After that, I turned off the watch. That's why I don't see the list of languages anymore. It gives me the code straight away. But select the language. If you see the code, wait until the application is done installing. And as you can see, it's taking a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, the application is done installing, and now we can tap on Open to open it. And here, as you can see, we have some pop-ups about the permissions. The Bluetooth one is required, so allow it. This one is not required for the notifications, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, allow it. And then you will need to log in into a COROS account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on Sign Up, make a new account, and then use it. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, tap on the email, and enter the email address and password. Okay, and then tap on Login. And in the app, you will see the progress page. Now tap on Profile. Tap on Add New Device. Allow the required permission. And now we need to wake up the screen on our watch and point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code, basically. And once you scan the QR code, it will start pairing the devices. Tap on Pair on your iPhone and press the upper button to confirm on your watch. Allow or deny the permission for notifications. Tap on Next. Here we can set up our watch, or you can also restore the previous settings if you want to. I'm gonna set it up as new. Tap Next, and here we can edit the activity list. Basically, you can add more activities, remove some activities. You can also move them around. So if you press and hold on one, you can drop it in different place. Then you can tap on Next. Do the same with the daily data. So basically widgets, we can remove widgets, add widgets. We can move them around by pressing and holding on one, like this. Then we have the toolbox. This is kind of a control panel, and here we can remove options, add options, and again we can move them around. So remove, add, and move them around. Come on, by pressing and holding on one, like this. And you can tap on Next. Select the preferred wrist, button orientation, and then sleep time. This is useful if you want to wear your watch during the sleep, and it will basically turn off the notifications when you go to sleep and turn them back on when you wake up. And here we can turn on the notifications or turn them off. And as you can see, we have a list of apps, and we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. Then you can tap next, start, and now you should see your Pace Pro on the profile page. And if you go to your watch, it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.